far, we have seen in the ground plan of Organon that the aphorisms are divided into the doctrinal part and the practical part. To revise the doctrinal part, please refer the previous video. Now, let's proceed to the practical part from aphorism 72 to 291. It is classified as follows. First, threefold items of practical knowledge to be acquired by a physician, aphorism 71. It mentions the 3 points of cure, viz. A. Investigation of disease, aphorism 72 to 104. B. Investigation of the effects of medicines, aphorism 105 to 145. C. Appropriate employment of medicines, aphorism 146 to 285. Second point is what is to be known in order to cure disease, aphorism 72 to 104. It is further subdivided into A. Classification of disease, aphorism 72 to 82, and B. Case taking, aphorism 83 to 104. First, we should know the condition that we have to treat, and with the help of case taking, we will know the signs and symptoms which will guide us to form the totality of symptoms. The third point, how to acquire knowledge of medicines, aphorism 105 to 145. It is nothing but drug proving. The 6th edition states drug proving as acquiring a knowledge of the instruments intended for the cure of the natural disease. Homeopathy is the only pathy that proves drug on apparently healthy human beings. Fourth point, the most suitable method of employing medicines for cure of disease, aphorism 146 to 285. It is further classified into A. Selection and mode of administration of remedies, aphorism 146 to aphorism 168. B. One-sided diseases, aphorism 172 to 230. C. Intermittent fever, aphorism 231 to 244. And D. Homeopathic pharmacy and dynamization of drugs, aphorism 264 to 285. Fifth point, therapeutic agents other than drugs. First, electricity, aphorism 286. The dynamic force of electricity and galvanism may be employed for treating diseases. Second, magnetism, aphorism 287. The positive effects of north and south pole of a powerful magnetic bar are detailed in the Materia Medica Pura. Third, mesmerism, aphorism 288 and 289. Mesmerism, also known as animal magnetism, is a therapeutic method of communication of human power upon the human organism by a well-intentioned person powerfully exerting his will. There are 2 types of mesmerism, A. Positive mesmerism and B. Negative mesmerism. Fourth, massage, aphorism 290. Massage helps to restore the tone of the muscles and improves the blood and lymph supply. Fifth, bath, aphorism 291. Baths act as palliative in restoring health in acute diseases. The temperature, duration, and repetition should be properly considered according to the individual condition.